In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split typography animation in Canva. 5 minutes. Open Canva and sign in so you're ready to work. Start by creating a new design in the size you need. If you're aiming for video, a standard 1920 by 1080 canvas works well. With your blank page open, look to the left sidebar and open the Elements tab. Use the search bar to find a background image or texture you like, then add it to your canvas. High contrast photos, subtle gradients, or textured patterns tend to look especially good with this effect. Next, head to the Apps section in the left sidebar and search for Font Frame. Open the Font Frame app. Select the background image you added earlier so Font Frame knows which image to use, and choose Use Selected Image. In the Font Frame panel, type the text you want to display. Keep it short and bold for maximum impact. You can change the font here too. Look for a heavy or condensed style to emphasize the split look. When you're happy, click Add to Design. This inserts a text object filled with your chosen background. Now, set your page background to black or any color that contrasts well with your text. If your text comes in with any unwanted background, remove it so only the letters remain. You want clean cutout typography against your solid page color. Duplicate the text and place the copy directly on top of the original. Make sure they are perfectly aligned before you move anything. Zoom in if needed and use the arrow keys for precise nudging. To create the split effect, select the top copy and nudge it slightly upward, then select the original underneath and nudge it slightly downward. You should see a clean gap appear across the letters. Adjust letter spacing and size if necessary so the split looks balanced across the whole word. Add a regular text box and type the word or phrase you want to sit in the gap. Scale it to fit neatly between the two halves and choose a color that stands out. Use Canva's alignment guides to center everything and position the new text so it reads clearly without touching the split edges. Finish by refining spacing, colors, and placement until the layout feels polished. Group the elements to keep everything aligned, and you're done. You now have a clean split typography look that's perfect for motion graphics, titles, or reels.